Using LoRa technology for Industry 4.0 application, in my opinion, is one, let's say, mandatory step, because everyone talks about acquiring data in industrial environment, but at the end of the day, connectivity there is a problem. I mean, we can't, let's say, rely on Wi-Fi and any other kind of, let's say, high-level, domestic, and typically business-oriented Wi-Fi internet connection systems, because there we have very noisy, by the electromagnetic point of view, environment. LoRa has been developed in order to be reliable, also in noisy environments. So we need to use LoRa technology for connecting all the kind of plants where connectivity is a challenge. In my opinion, the next step in IoT and Industry 4.0 is very similar to, let's say, the same steps that have been done in other internet-related technology. In other typical technology, like cloud technology, like, coding and implementing technology, various layers of abstraction have been implemented in order to make it easy to integrate different technology at the production level. So in my opinion, what is missing from the industrial Internet of Things is an aggregation tool, a middle layer. And this is why at TOI we are investing in building a hardware and software-based integration system that decouple the control level of the industrial IoT from the cloud, making them easy to interconnect, easy to connect, and also accessible in terms of implementation. Also to people that are not necessarily skilled in industrial protocol, or vice versa, people from the industrial world that are not necessarily skilled in cloud protocol. They can both work on this middle layer, in an integration layer. Python is becoming more and more appealing for IoT and for embedded. Why? The answer is, let's say, more related to historical reason. Python, for some reason, became the most famous and the most used language in data science. So people from data science are the one that require new data sources. And in order to enable these data sources, we need to design and build new industrial and IoT system in general. So let's say that Python is driven by who is using the data we are producing. And this is why we are trying to port Python into the embedded in order to make it easier and more accessible from the data science implementing world to access directly with their hands data sources. This is why we are abstracting the layer. We are porting an high-level language like Python into the embedded.